Now the second problem is show that a into sin b minus c plus b into sin c minus a plus c into sin of a minus b is equal to 0, or otherwise the question may also be asked that summation of a into sin of b minus c is equal to 0. That is, summation means we have the addition of these two terms also. Okay. Now we know that in any triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Now from this, a is equal to 180 degrees minus b minus c. I took these two terms to that side. Then which is implies a is equal to 180 degrees minus, take the minus as common, b plus c. Now take sine ratio both sides. Then sin a is equal to sine of 180 degrees minus b plus c, which is equal to sine of b plus c. Okay, because we know that sine of 180 degrees minus theta is equal to what? Sine theta only. So therefore here we got sine a is equal to sine b plus c. Okay, in the same manner, in any triangle ABC, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. The next two terms are c minus a. So take the b this side only. Now 180 degrees minus a minus c, which is equal to b is equal to 180 degrees minus c minus a. Now this is implies b is equal to 180 degrees minus, I am taking the minus as common, we will get c plus a. Now take sine ratio both sides. By taking sine ratio both sides, sin b is equal to sine of 180 degrees minus c plus a, which is equal to sin c plus a. Why? Because sine of 180 degrees minus theta is equal to sin theta only. In a place of theta we have c plus a. So it is equal to sin c plus a. Now what we are concluded from this? Sin b is equal to sin of c plus a. So we have to remember this one and this one. Now the third one is, in any triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Now here we have a minus b. So c is equal to 180 degrees minus a minus b. Now c is equal to, take the minus as common, a plus b. Take sine ratio both sides. By taking sine ratio both sides, sin c is equal to sine of 180 degrees minus a plus b. So which is equal to sine of a plus b. Why? Because sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta only. In a place of theta we have a plus b. So what we are concluded that sin c is equal to sine of a plus b, we are concluded. So now we have to remember these three. And we know the formula from sine rule, as early we are solved in the first problem. Small a is equal to 2r sin a and small b is equal to 2r sin b. What is small c? 2r sin c. Okay, so we have remembered that this one and these three formulae. Now I am going to write the question is, LHS is a into sine of b minus c plus b into sine of c minus a plus c into sine of a minus b is equal to, in a place of small a, I will write this formula, 2r sin a sin b minus c, plus in a place of b I will write 2r sin b sin of c minus a, and in a place of small c 2r sin c sin of a minus b. And what we know that sin a, what is the sin a here? Sin a is equal to sin of b plus c. So take the 2r as common. In a place of sin a I will write sin of b plus c and sin of b minus c. 2r we took the common. In a place of sin b I will write sin b is equal to sin of c plus a into sin of c minus a, plus 2r I took the common. In a place of sin c I will write sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So we have the formula for this. The formula is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula is equal to sin square b sin square a minus sin square b. Okay, so here is equal to 2r into b plus c b minus c. What is the formula? Sin square b minus sin square c, according to this formula. Now sin square c minus sin square a plus sin square a minus sin square b. So plus minus minus sin square c plus sin square c minus sin square a plus sin square a will be cancelled. 2r into 0 is equal to 0. So we are proved that a into sin of b minus c plus b into sin of c minus a plus c into sin of a minus b is equal to 0.